I'm partnering with Nourish and Shine so I can go from this to this to this. Spring is here, so it's time for the curls to be out, and the perfect flexi rod set starts off with the perfect products. I start off with the Revitalizing Leave In, followed by the Foaming Curl Primer. Both these products have sunflower oil in them and smell amazing. Here's a tip: roll your flexi rods in an upward position and close them off and the ends to keep them sealed. I'm going for a half up, half down look, so the liquid gel primer is great for what I need it to do. Another amazing smelling product. Okay, Nourish and Shine. Here's another tip. Once your flexi rods are all in, sit under the dryer for a few minutes and take down your hair the next day. Thank me later. The next morning, it was time to take down my flexi rods. Not before I coat my hands in the Restorative Butter. This will prevent frizz and add shine. I then separate my curls and look at these results. Nourish and Shine, you really did that. My day 3 curls were still poppin', but I wanted to switch it up. Whoever said natural hair is boring is a liar. Nourish and Shine products are designed for all curl types with ingredients formulated to improve manageability and shine. My curls felt bouncy and my hair looks super moisturized. I told you spring is here, so it's time for the curls to be out. And these products did not disappoint. How cute is this style?